In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Wrike Document Editor. We'll walk through a very simple process so that by the end, you'll know exactly how to open a document in Wrike and start editing it confidently. Even though there are only a couple of actions involved, I'll explain what each one does and give you some tips along the way, so you understand not just how to click, but why you're doing it. First, make sure you're logged into your Wrike workspace and that you're in the right folder or project where your document is stored. You'll typically see your items in a table or list view, with tasks, folders, or projects displayed in rows. Among these, there will be an item that represents the document you want to work on. To begin, find the document in your Wrike workspace and click on the document click box. This is usually the main clickable area of the row where the document title appears. When you click this area, Wrike opens the document's detailed view in a side panel or a new pane, depending on your layout. Think of this as opening the file's profile, where you can see information like its title, description, and attached content. Once that document view is open, look for the Edit option. This is the key to launching the Wrike Document Editor. The Edit button is usually located near the top of the panel or close to the document name. Go ahead and click on Edit. Clicking Edit tells Wrike that you want to work directly in the document, not just look at it. Wrike will then open the document in its built-in editor, or it may launch an associated desktop or web editor depending on your setup and file type. Give it a moment to load, especially if the document is large or your internet connection is a bit slow. After the editor opens, you can start making changes, adding or removing text, updating formatting, or collaborating with your team in real time if your account supports that. From here, remember to save your work regularly or confirm that autosave is working so no changes are lost. To recap, all you need to do is locate your document in Wrike, click on the document click box to open it, and then click Edit to launch the Wrike Document Editor. Once you're inside the editor, you're ready to update and collaborate